Hi friends, my name is Jakiyah Bradley and I'm Chairperson of NYU Student Government. If my name sounds a little familiar and you're not sure why, it's because I sent those dozens of emails about student government this year. I'm just kidding, I only sent 4 emails. Today, I'm so happy to join this celebration. I'll be honest with you. To say that the past few months have been tough for us wouldn't even begin to capture the feelings we all hold. But even as most of us had to walk away from the physical campus of NYU, we can take comfort in realizing that as students, we are the breath of this university. We keep it alive with our research, our sports, our service, and our activism. We are what makes NYU come to life. And even though we are separated, we're still growing and learning, and hopefully y'all are finding time to laugh as well together. And with so much uncertainty around us, I hold on to the words of one of my favorite authors, Toni Morrison. Don't let anybody convince you this is the way the world is and therefore must be. It must be the way it ought to be. So as the world goes through changes, be brave and be kind to allow yourself to evolve with this world as we move into this next chapter of life. As I usually say to you all in my emails, I'm sending warm wishes, but this time I'm also sending lots of love. So keep in touch. For no matter where we are across the globe, we can stay connected. Onward.